so I have a few little updates to my bathroom here. As you can see, I got like the candelabra candle, of course my little plants right there. I did get a micro towel that actually helps with the toothbrush that I have magnetized there. Magnetized, it's not a real word. Magnetized. I do have this like agave plant here, really cool. I really like the beat today. So I actually did a really good job today with my beads. So it's very natural, yet there's still highlight, as you can see. God, eyes are like really detailed and stuff. Especially with the contour and highlight, I love it. It's very natural, very still like giving beads. And I wanna give you a look at my Swarovski earrings here. If I can like focus on it for once. I'm probably busting. Let me see if I can switch it over. Okay, so here's the look for one piece of it here. And you can either like do like the horizontal where it has like about the earlobe, or you can do it where it does the cuff. And I actually wore it this way. It kind of gets in the way with the AirPods and stuff. So I'm gonna do it this way just for old time's sake. Do my nails, which I do my own. That's the only thing about like doing your own nails. It's just like, you have to sit down and do it, bitch. You're the nail tech, so. But yeah, and this is the other side. As you can see, the pendant is really bigger on this side, but it's so cute, especially with this big chunky one. You can flip it over and doing some errands, because I'm actually going to take you to the coffee shop with me, because I am going to do some work. The work never ceases to end with me. I'm an editor, I'm a Playboy bunny. I am, what else do? I do a bunch of stuff. I'm a busy lady. I'm a mom. Hey, sir. Yeah, he doesn't listen to me anyway, so yeah, I'm a good mom. But anyway, so I'm gonna take you over to the coffee shop and I will be there. And to get the lip plumper there, and it's so bigger. It's ridiculous how big my lips are and stuff, but my skin looks pretty good, because I noticed like when I was filming yesterday how like my skin was just like, ugh. I was like, let me go and get this done, honey, but my skin was so much better. Satisfied with the services that I got there, but I will be back next time to use up my credit there. Hi guys, so welcome back, Vloggy Vlog. I am here currently trying to get ready. I don't know what I'm doing yet for my hair. I really don't. Hats, so I've been throwing up in the ponytail and stuff. Hello. Mainly doing that, and then like I've also been like redecorating my spot too. So this is a vintage mirror from 1920. I actually found it from the Goodwill store. Just like very, it's really old. It's from 1924, and it was 25 bucks at the boutique Goodwill. I couldn't pass that up, so I was like, okay, let me go get that. I have my mascara plant here, my rug. I got like a little light for the entranceway, but basically that's really about it. What I did, because like I have like a giant mirror for my closet. Anywho, I guess I can do like an outfit of the day. Like I said, I just took time to do my lashes. They look trifling at this point. I have their own to like even it out. But I just didn't want to look bald today since I'm trying to figure out how to do my hair. But this is from the line NVGT, Never Give Up. I don't know, not giving up or something. But it's cute. I see a lot of girls at the gym wear it and stuff. And then women's I'm wearing here. This is my first time having Lululemon shorts. Hot yoga today, and then also I'm going to work out in my upstairs and try to do something. I can't do anything if it's not on, right? Okay, I have it plugged up. So like I said, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. And like crazy, like it's like past my hair, like past my shoulders. I never thought my hair would be this long. And just to let you guys know, I did film like a little TikToks today. So like I did post them and like put on my IG reel and stuff like that. So But let me know if you want to go through like my perfume collection. I know to my handbag collection first, of course, because that was like very requested. But let me know if you want me to do my perfume, because I have gotten a lot of new spring perfume and I want to try it out. So that's my perfume collection. I want to show things and, you know, I want to interact. So that's fun. But yeah, so I'm off today. Hey, Booski. Hello. Say hi. Say hello. Hi, buddy. As you can see, like, the groomer did an okay job. I'm not too pleased about it. He has a cute collar. But, yeah. I'm not too happy about that either, because he still has all this hair on him. But he's still adorable. You're still adorable, buddy. You're still adorable, yes. Yes, you are.